You're on Facebook and you're in business for yourself, which means you need to start using Facebook for your marketing. Let's talk about exactly how to do that. I've got some key steps right here for you. So pull out a pen and paper, start taking some notes on this. In fact, if you need to pause the video while you write down some things, feel free to do that because I'm going to be delivering a bunch of information here. First step is this, and if you don't get this first step, you may as well not listen to anything else I have to say. This is the first step. Remember what Facebook is for. Facebook is a social media platform. In fact, when it started out even more online dating program. Yeah, people still do that online, but Facebook primarily is a social media platform. And understand that the demographic of Facebook is shifting and changing. The people that are on Facebook right now are typically between the ages of 18 and 50. Now the new millennials, the new people that are coming out and getting on social media, the early, teenagers and things like that, they're starting to use more and more of Instagram and other platforms than they are Facebook. So just understand who is using Facebook and what Facebook is for. As a consumer of Facebook, think about what you use Facebook for. You don't go online to Facebook to buy products or services. You go on to connect socially. So be aware of that as a marketer. Add value. I asked my group of students yesterday what they use Facebook for. They use Facebook to stop from being bored. They want to be entertained by Facebook. So consider that when you're marketing. They want to use Facebook to connect socially with other people who are doing the same thing and are living the same lifestyle, either that they have or that they're interested in. So use that knowledge when you're marketing on Facebook. Understand why our consumers are on Facebook and tailor your content to them. So you've got the bottom line. Remember what Facebook is for and how to use it wisely. Here's my second piece. Go out there and buy the book, How to Win Friends and Influence People in the Digital Age by Dale Carnegie and Associates. If you don't get this book, you will do yourself a great disservice. If you've got Audible or Overdrive, or go to your library, or just go to Amazon and buy a copy, I don't care what you have to do to get a copy of this book into your hands, get a copy of this book and read it. And I have to tell you, less than 2% of everyone that I share this with will actually do it. Be the 2%. Be the 2% thinker. Go out there, get the book. It's going to talk to you about how to market to people. Yeah, it's for your business, but you are in the business of relationship marketing. And in order to do that, you've got to have great relationships. And in order to have great relationships, you've got to be able to be a person of influence. How to win friends and influence people in the digital age. There's two versions of this. The original version that was written in the 1930s and the updated version for the digital age. Get it, read it, study it, know it inside and out. Facebook is all about growing a following. Now on Facebook, you can have up to 5,000 friends. And on a Facebook page, you can have an unlimited number of followers. Grow your following by becoming a person of influence. Grow your fan base by solving problems. Become the kind of person that is recommendable. Be the person that solves problems and gets out there, not just in your professional world, but in your personal world as well. Study other people who are on Facebook. Study influential leaders on Facebook like Tony Robbins. Study how he works online. See how his interactions work with people. Study how big corporations work on Facebook. Look how they're treating their customers and look how their customer service is. And keep that in mind for your personal and for your Facebook professional accounts as well. Grow your influence by solving problems. That's worth writing down. Facebook is a platform for people to be entertained. That's why people can lose hours and hours of their day on Facebook. So be what I call an edutainer, an educational entertainer. If you're in the business of products, then you've got things to teach people about your products. If you're in the business of running a service, then you've got things to teach people both in your service and about your service. Do it in an entertaining way. There are so many platforms right now that'll help you get entertaining videos out online, that'll help you get entertaining memes out online. That's why Facebook nowadays has that colorful background backdrop, because people like to be visually stimulated and entertained when they're online. So be entertaining. Find a way to capture the audience's attention, not by clickbait. Don't waste your time there, but be genuinely entertaining. And that's my next point. And on top of being entertaining, you've got to be genuine. People can smell it a mile away if you're faking something, or if you're inauthentic, or if you have some ulterior motive or agenda. Just let go of that and be genuine. Show your authentic self. Show your vulnerability on a personal level. That's the way people are going to grow a relationship with you, and that's what's going to make a lot of your marketing really effective. If you're using Facebook for any kind of marketing, you must have 3 key components. You've got to have a Facebook fan page, you've got to have a landing page outside of Facebook, and you've got to use Facebook ads for your business. In fact, if you click right here, right in this link, you're going to see our video for how to create and build Facebook ads. And you can go check that out and see how you can grow that effectively for your business. Facebook marketing is a 2-pronged force. It is professional and it is personal. You've got to have mastery over both of those areas in order for any of your Facebook marketing to be effective. Facebook and marketing really talk very well to each other. By now, you know that for sure. In fact, I'm really curious, what was the most helpful thing that you heard in this video, and what do you have questions on? I want to know, so hit me up with some comments below and let's have a conversation about it. Hit the subscribe button, ring the bell for some notifications so you can see our videos coming in every single day. I'll see you tomorrow.